going on, guys? What's up? Hoping you guys are doing fine like I am here. Welcome back to my channel. In case you're new to this channel, definitely make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss on my future videos. And let's get into this video. I'm gonna be telling you guys how you can make money using your smartphone. You don't want to just be using your phone and just calling, WhatsApp, Facebook. No, I want to give you tips and how you can start earning money at the comfort of your seat or wherever you are with your phone. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Money with your phone is through apps. I have given you apps that pay, and I believe you guys have tried one, if not two. Some of these apps are super easy to use. For example, we have Swagbucks. In Swagbucks, you just watch videos and ads, then you get paid in terms of dollars. Swagbucks is super easy to use, and it's an app. So if you have free internet, or if you are in some place that has internet connection, instead of just watching ads and videos for free, just download Swagbucks and watch videos for money. We also have Cash Pirate, which is a good app also to make you money. In Cash Pirate, you download videos and get paid. You also watch videos and get paid. So if you want to download maybe a YouTube video, instead of downloading on the YouTube app, just go to that app and download it there. Then you get paid for downloading. You know, if you used YouTube, you won't be paid. But if you use that app, you get paid. And then now you accumulate points. Once your points reach 2,500, you can then redeem them in form of cash. Another way you can get paid using your phone is through online surveys. I know you guys have come across surveys. So what you do is to register with survey apps or survey sites. And then once they give you surveys, you just answer the questions that you're given and you get paid. You can do this anywhere, anytime. So you need to have a lot of survey apps in your phone so that anytime they have surveys, you are contacted. For example, we have Opinion Space, and it's an app that gives you surveys and you get paid. We also have Geopol. I always recommend Geopol. You get paid in form of credit cash, so you don't have to buy airtime in your phone. Geopol will be giving you airtime as long as you answer their questions. There are so many other survey sites I've given in my other video. There's a video I did on 6 survey sites that pay, so you guys can go and check that video out. Instead of just staying with your phone, you can try doing surveys anytime, anywhere. Another way you can make money with your phone is through starting a YouTube channel. One thing about a YouTube channel is that once it starts to pay you, it will always be paying you. It's a good way to make money passively, but of course you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watched hours. So if you have something that you love to do and you would love people to see you do it, then start a YouTube channel. You can film using your phone. You can also check my video on how to start a YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description box down below so that you can know how to easily start a YouTube channel using your phone. And in case you fear to be seen, maybe some people don't, to expose their faces, to everybody, so you can start a podcast. A podcast is whereby you record your voice giving a story or talking about something you really feel you should talk about, and then you post it. I have also done a video on how to start a podcast, so all these links will be in the description box down below. So if you can really tell a story well, and if you can maybe talk about something that you're sure about, give people some information or anything, you can definitely consider to start a podcast. All you need is a phone. You just record an audio and then you post. Imagine how that easy it is. Instead of maybe me talking to you like this, I record an audio instead and then post it. With time, you start getting paid. Instead of just sitting around in your house doing nothing with your phone, try and start a podcast. Another way you can make money with your phone is to become an editor, and you can do this by downloading Upwork or Fiverr. They usually post jobs there for editors, so you can become a video editor or yeah, mostly video editor. You can be editing people's YouTube videos or something. You know, most of the time YouTubers don't have time to edit their videos, so they will look for people to edit videos for them. So you can easily do that using your phone. You just need apps for editing. For example, InShot, Filmora, KineMaster. There are so many editing apps and you're good. So download those two, Fiverr and Upwork. They usually give so many gigs and you'll be another good. Related method of making money is to become a proofreader. So for proofreading, you will be given work by people that has already been typed or edited, and your work is to go through it. So you can use your phone because mostly it's PDF. So you go through it and make any corrections, any errors, because you know editors may be in a hurry to do something. So your work is to correct any grammatical errors or anything. So if you are good at English, you can easily become a proofreader. Another job you can do using your phone is to start an online shop. So for online shops, you don't need much. You will only need to download Instagram. That's where you open your online shop and then you market your goods there. You can also market them on Facebook. So all you need to have is your phone, Facebook app and Instagram app, and then you now look for products. You can look for any products. I have given so many business ideas on my channel. You guys can check. There are so many products you can sell online, and then once you get customers, you just ship to them. Just sell at the comfort of your home. If you guys have noted, most people are actually shopping through online shops. People don't want to go to the marketplaces these days, and you can make that easy for people by opening an online shop and start selling your stuff there. In case you want to start an online shop, you can also check my videos. I'll put all the links in the description box. Guys, I have done so many videos on YouTube, more than 120 videos. That's why I'm saying I've done that video, check it out, done that, check it out, because I've done so many videos. So if you check all my videos, you definitely are not going to be seated at home doing nothing. Another way you can make money using your phone is to become an online tutor. So this is whereby you're going to be teaching people online. You'll be having students that you teach online. Mostly you can become a tutor for English or Kiswahili. Language tutors are so marketable. So what you're going to do is to teach people that language. For English tutor, you can get jobs easily on Nice Talk. And if you want to become a Kiswahili tutor, you can also get jobs on italki. But there are so many apps or sites that you can do, that you can use to become a tutor. So guys, you can check all those sites out. Just go and Google online tutoring jobs or online tutoring sites. You will see all of them, and you can easily become an online tutor in Kenya or wherever you are. Another way you can make money using your phone is to become a social media marketer. So if you love photography, if you love taking pics of maybe yourself or maybe outside, you can become an online social media marketer. So you just take pictures. Instead of staying with those pics in your phone, you just post them on Instagram. So all you need to do is to take very clear photos of things or stuff that you enjoy. For example, you can become a food influencer. So if you cook your food, you take a pic. If you go out, take a pic of the food you're taking on a restaurant or something. You can even show us videos of you cooking with time, and then you put good hashtags. With time, brands like Royco, maybe sauce, Ken sauce or something, they are going to contact you and you will become their brand. Once you become a brand ambassador, you start making money. So you can become a social media influencer of anything, even fashion. If you love creating, you know, if you are a fashionable person, take good pics of you wearing very nice outfits and post. Once you do that regularly, brands are going to contact you, and that's how you start making money. Also, you can even start your fashion line with, you know, if you grow followers, it's easy to do a business when you have followers. So there are so many opportunities online or on social media. You guys can try it out. Another way you can make money using your phone is through Forex trading. So you can try Forex trading, and it's a super good way to make money, but you can lose your money in Forex. So this is like gambling. You need to have a lot of information on that. You can try, for example, we have IQ, that is a site for Forex trading. Also we have expert option, and for expert option you actually trade within minutes. So within 1 minute you can either gain or lose. You guys, I don't know if you've tried this. Just comment down below and tell me, have you ever tried Forex trading or those Forex businesses? Yeah, they are super good if you can, you know, play with your mind. But if you don't know about it, just don't try unless you've gathered enough information. There are so many other methods that you can make money using your phone. I have done another video, so you guys can go and check my other videos on how to make money and how to make money using your phone. Or you can also check the description down below. I'll put the links to most of the things that I've talked about so that you guys can check them out. And I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and make sure you share with your friends and comment down below. Ask any questions in case you have. I'll be answering them. As always, guys, I always love to engage you, to interact with you in the comment section down below. So make sure you comment and tell me what you think about this video. I'm hoping to see you guys in my next video. So please subscribe if you haven't, like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, bye.